An administrator is designing a new system for a currently existing OLTP, online transaction processing, application. It is heavily batch-oriented and relies heavily on secondary storage. Which storage method should be implemented in order to achieve the highest possible throughput? Option A. VO-mapped SAN-LUNs. Option B. BIB-attached SAN-LUNs. Option C. VO-mapped logical volumes. Option D. Directly attached SAN-LUNs. The correct answer is option D. A power systems server has two HMCs connected to its flexible service processor, FSP. It is decided to upgrade one of them to a later hardware version. The CR is disconnected and the new CR is connected in its place. The new HMC successfully discovers the managed server, but some operations including Dlper are failing. Which action will allow the managed server and HMC to establish a new RMC configurations? Option A. run/user/spin/rsct/install/bin/recfgkt in each Dlper. Option B. Run refresh sibmdrm in each Dlper. Option C. Use the reset or remove connection panel on the HMC. Option D. Reset the RMC connection in the console menu option in SME. The correct answer is option A. An administrator has a power with application Dlpers and Dlper used by the backup system. The administrator is designing the backup network for this system. What is a major advantage using virtual Ethernet compared to using dedicated adapters, especially in relation to backups? Option A. TCP resegmentation enabled. Option B. Jumbo frames supported. Option C. Fewer physical resources required. Option D. IPv6 native support 71. The correct answer is option C. A system is being designed with redundant VO servers which will each support networking and storage for client partitions. What is the minimum quantity of adapters needed to support the networking and storage requirements? Option A. 1. Option B. 2. Option C. 4. Option D. 8. The correct answer is option B.